Welcome to the Unseen Assembly. Today we build a masterpiece of tactile feedback, a custom gasket-mounted mechanical keyboard. We start with the solid aluminum base, pure, unyielding weight. To achieve the perfect sound, we must isolate. We apply Poron gaskets to the plate. This allows the internal assembly to float, absorbing vibrations and creating that signature deep, Thocky resonance. Next, the switches. We're using 2026 spec magnetic Hall effect linears. No physical contact, just magnetic fields for ultra-low latency and a buttery smooth glide. We tune the stabilizers. A thin coat of premium lubricant ensures the spacebar and shift keys move with zero rattle. Silence is the goal. Finally, we add the PBT keycaps, deep dish profiles for comfort and durability. The unseen assembly is complete. Pure, acoustic perfection. Like and subscribe to join the assembly.